It's raining outside, so I've decided to do some inside work. And because I'm down in my southern location, you're looking at about my entire shop. It's a converted carport, and that's all you really need to get started is just an area. For the first couple years, I actually had the lathe in a shed that I would have to move out and down a ramp just to do my wood turning. So it can be done anywhere. And speaking of getting started, I've decided to put together a series of 5 videos that things I wish I had known before I started. Okay, and this is going to be the first one. And this video is about what's the right way to get started. Most guys are very hands-on. We're visual learners. We just go out and do stuff, and then, hey, we learned. There's another way, and that is you take a class. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I've taken classes at both Rockler and Woodcraft, and I've met some guys that showed me a few things, okay? So if I were to start all over again, what would I do? I'd go take a class, and I'd be very upfront about it. I wouldn't say, hey, you know, I'm a woodworker and I just want to check out this. I would walk in and say, I don't know anything, and then let them teach you, okay? Woodcraft and Rockler, you can go on their websites and see what classes are available, and sign up for them. They're a couple $100. If they're a drive, if they're a ways away, you're going to test your commitment to becoming a wood turner, taking this up as a hobby, and how far you're willing to drive to take a class, okay? Take the family, have a little vacation, you run in, take a class, they play at the pool at the hotel. It's a good time. Other options. In the winters, I'm down in Texas, okay? And I come down here, I've only been coming down here for a few years. I don't know anybody. What I did is I signed up, I found and then contacted a local wood turners group. And I went to a couple meetings and I met some really good people. And they had guys come in and give demonstrations and stuff like that. And it was good. So there's that. If I had a lot of money, which I don't, I could have gotten private lessons. And you go to some guy's shop and he'll give you one-on-one instruction on how to start, where to get started on this stuff. So that's my advice for today. If you really want to find out if you want to test the waters of wood turning and see if it's for you, go take a class.